In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Dropbox following our complete 2025 guide. First things first, we want to head over to dropbox.com. Once you're there, if you haven't already, you'll need to log into your Dropbox account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up quickly. After you've signed in, navigate to the folder where you want your video to reside. This is an important step to ensure your files are organized and easy to find later on. You might want to take a quick look through your existing folders, or if necessary, create a new one just for this video. Now that you've decided on your folder, it's time to get your video onto Dropbox. Look for the Upload button, usually located at the top or in a designated menu of your Dropbox interface. You'll see a plus sign next to the word Upload. Click on this button and choose Files from the drop-down menu. This action will open a file picker window allowing you to browse through your computer or device files. Here, you'll want to locate the video file you're looking to upload. Supported file formats typically include popular options like MP4, MOV, or AVI. Select your video file and then simply click Open. With that, Dropbox will start the upload process. While this is happening, you'll notice a progress bar indicating the upload status. It's perfectly normal for this process to take a few minutes, especially if you have a large video file or you're working with a slower internet connection. During this time, make sure not to close your browser or shut down your computer to avoid interrupting the upload. Patience is key here, so feel free to multitask a bit while you wait. Once the upload is complete, you'll receive a confirmation letting you know it has finished. One of the great features of Dropbox is that your video will now sync across all devices linked to your Dropbox account. So whether you're on your laptop, desktop, phone, or tablet, wherever Dropbox is installed, you'll have instant access to your newly uploaded video. In the end, uploading videos to Dropbox is straightforward and a handy way to ensure your important files are backed up and accessible wherever you are. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your video uploads with ease. Thanks for watching, and if you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech guides like